Hi, now today's topic is going to be talking about apartments for rent. Now this is very important if you want to live alone, away from your mom, your dad, your grandma, your grandpa, your uncle, your sisters. Now usually an apartment for rent could be very expensive. So I have roommates. Now roommates are the people that live with me. They're not necessarily related to me. They're just maybe friends or classmates or coworkers that live with me. Now I live in a 2-bed and maybe the bill every month is $2,115 per month, and we divide that equally by 3. And also we have very nice furniture in the house. We all come together to save up together to buy furniture, and also maybe a wooden table or to match the wooden floors. And also in our kitchen we have very nice appliances to cook really delicious food. Also we have TV, so we can watch really nice movies, maybe a TV show. And just having an apartment is it's a good thing to have, and I hope maybe someday you can experience the luxury of living on your own. So thank you, bye!